All right, hey guys, we are now going to be finishing up the third question from the 2023 FRQ set number 2. So, this graph shows the cost and revenue curves from an unregulated profit maximizing monopoly. Unregulated means that they can do whatever they want, and profit maximizing means that they're going to choose marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Now, is this firm shown in the graph a natural monopoly? So the big thing that's going to tell us that it's a natural monopoly is the fact that they have economies of scale. Remember, economies of scale is wherever your quantity is going up and your cost is going down. And as you can see here, the cost is going down the entire time. So therefore, it is a natural monopoly because it has economies of scale throughout production. So that is my explanation for why they are a natural monopoly. Okay. Part B. Using the label in the graph, identify the area representing the deadweight loss for this profit maximizing monopoly. So number one, what we have to do is we have to figure out where are they operating. And they operate where MR equals MC. So that's that quantity at this price. So what's the deadweight loss? Well, the deadweight loss is wherever you're not at price equals MC. And price equals MC happens right here. So the deadweight loss is going to be everything below demand and above the marginal cost. So that's going to be this entire area right here, this big triangle. And as you can see here, that's going to be F, B, G. So the area that's representing deadweight loss. So B, F, B, G. Okay, so here it is. Again, you're operating at Q2, but your price equals MC at Q4 at G. So this area right here is your deadweight loss, that triangle. Part C, to improve resource allocation, the government sets a price ceiling, or sets a price that results in the firm earning zero economic profit. That would be price equals ATC. Using the label in the graph, identify the price and the resulting quantity that the firm would produce. So if they did price equals ATC, that happens where demand equals ATC. So that happens at point C. So what's your price there? Well, my price would be P3 and my quantity would be Q3. So for point C, it would be price is P3, quantity is Q3. Okay, all I'm doing is price equals ATC, which happens at point C, and my price there is P3, and my quantity is Q3. Okay. Now, will this government possibly eliminate the deadweight loss? Well, here we go. So if you are at this price and quantity, are you at price equals MC? No. So did you eliminate deadweight loss? No. You still have this area right here, which is your deadweight loss. So the answer to this question would be no, because your deadweight loss is CJG. So D, you would say no, because price does not equal to MC, and deadweight loss is the area CJG. So that's what I would put for D. You would say no, because the price is not equal to marginal cost, and the deadweight loss is the area CJG. Finally, instead, the government decides to set a price that results in the social optimal quantity of output. Will the firm earn positive, negative, or zero economic profit? Use the labeling from the graph. So now we are at the social optimal, which would be price equals MC. So if you do price equals MC, that happens at G. Now the question's asking you, are you earning a profit? Well, let's look. If you got to check out your price and your ATC. At that quantity, okay, which one is greater? Your price is P1 and your ATC is P2. So this is your ATC and this is your price. As you can see, your ATC is greater than your price. So the answer here would be you would be making negative economic profit because P2 is greater than P1. Okay? So you'd say negative economic profits because at price equals MC, the quantity Q4, right? At the quantity Q4, the price is P1, which is less than P2. The quantity Q4 has a price P2 or P1 that is lower than the ATC P2. Okay, so P2 is more than P1. Okay, so I would say something like that for the answer there. So that is all the questions for question 3 of this mock exam. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below. I'd be happy to help you out any way I can. But that is all for this. Thank you very much. Bye.